This is the operation process of the injection molding machine. Firstly, you should set the parameters. There are 3 temperatures. And after that, open the temperature button. And just lock the upper mode and the bottom mode. There are 4 locks. And just put the feeding part in the center. And after heating, just push the motor button. And then the machine works now. And you can see the temperature is reached to the standard parameters, so it can work now. And after that, we should set the parameters of pressure, like this pressure of screw rotation. And you don't need to change it frequently because it's the regular parameter. Okay, after that, you should push this green button. It starts to work, and after cooling, and put one of the mold into this machine. After that, you just put your cables inside. The machine will press it. That's the final result.